interesting thing here, and that's called the Eyecare AI. Well, if we have AI and we don't use it for the medical purpose, then it's actually of not much use for all of us. But yes, something interesting that's been done here and very useful for each and every one of us once it's going to be there. Well, I'm talking about the Eyecare AI here. What exactly it is? Well, that's we will be explained by Gilles, who's the Senior Director, Data Center and Communications with AMD. Gilles, welcome to the talk show.
Thank you.
Wanted to understand what exactly is Eyecare AI, how it's powered by AMD, and if you could just explain us how it's going to be useful for a normal person back there in India.
Okay, so let me put the context first.
Yeah.
India, like a lot of other countries, we are lacking doctors. And so there is not enough live doctors to put in front of the people. And so with the e-Sanjeevani initiative, in fact, the goal is to provide an e-doctor in front of the people to connect the people and still make sure that the people are getting the right prescriptions, that the symptoms are explained, and so that at the end, the health of the people will be taken care of. And so the demonstration we are doing here is using, by the way, our latest technology. We announced this technology 2 days ago, so it's brand new. But this server that we are using here for the data analytic has been made in India. So the CPU is from AMD, but the rest has been done in India. So it's a made in India server.
Sure.
And we are using a software on top of it coming from e-Sanjeevani, from the government initiative, that will take the people information and the doctor information so that when somebody is speaking to an e-doctor, they are able to get the symptom, and so that this program that's AI-based will be able to write the right prescription. But that's not enough, because in India you have a lot of languages. Again, I'm French, but if I need to have something doing a prescription, then this program will be able to do it in more than 16 different languages, local languages.
Okay.
So that the people, the goal is to really take care about the people, where they are, to make them comfortable. Whatever the language they will be speaking, this will be able to recognize it and do the transcript and the prescription in their own language. So at the end, this is really to connect the people to the e-doctor and being able to take care about them. So if we want to just look at it, we can probably, and I will use the help of showing what we are doing for this eye care.
Sure.
Here we can put a patient name.
So we have the patient's name here, we have the age here, male or female, whatever gender, and in case whatever problem that you have in the eye, for
we
example,
will take the picture.
Yes, this is the picture. You can take a picture. You have an eye redness. You click a picture, upload it here on the software, and then obviously write what problem do you have. So, for example, aankhon mein सूजन, there is swelling in your eyes, is what is written here. Laal aankhein, eye redness, or maybe an eye sore, whatever. And the place that you are at, from where you actually feeding the data, and the language that you can select. So if you drop down, you can see how many languages are possibly right now available that you can, because this has to cater to the people who are in interiors also. So need not be just in Hindi and English. You could probably select the language of the place that you are at, so that the prescription that you get is in your language and it's understandable by you. So that's the kind of a software that is fed in here, and whatever problem that it has with the AI generation, or whatever learnings the AI has, because the data has been fed in, this is the prescription that you get and what needs to be done in terms of cure for your problem that you've entered there in the feet. Am I right, Gilles?
Oh, you are perfect.
Yeah.
Nothing to add.
Okay.
And even
You can move to AMD.
And we can download the PDF.
And you can also download the PDF. This acts as a prescription, which is
Exactly.
going to be a soft copy of your prescription, and maybe you want to take a printout of it. Maybe later you can take and keep it with you for the reference. Also, there's another thing. Not just this. The particular place that you are, it also suggests the nearest hospital that you could go and show the doctor to. So that's the thing that's done online with the AI learning, and that's the magic of AI that's actually being used in medical space. So very fantastic, very helpful, and it's going to be a rage when it actually is used by people that are in small town or in interiors. We don't have a direct access to the doctors, and also it's going to be lessen the burden of the doctors that actually see patients on everyday basis to about 100 or 200. So yes, an easy job for them too, and very, very good initiative. Thanks, Gilles, for speaking to us. That's actually a very, very useful thing,
Welcome.
which is going to be very useful for not just doctors, but yes, for the patients who are in interiors, and very helpful for each and every Indian with the kind of problem that
Yeah,
he's dealing
the
with.
made in India is very important for
Yeah.
AMD, and so
Yeah.
the team which is putting that together, that's really important for them.
Sure. Thanks for speaking.
So
Thank
just
you.
wanted to add one thing.
Yeah.
Like these are all done by our interns.
Oh,
So that's the power of AI and the APIs
That's
that we
nice.
built in. We built the software stack. It is very easy to develop, and then the interns come. They define all these stuff.